The grain. Should have got a better camera. $230 for this piece of junk. I don't know. Actually, I'll lights it up a little bit better. Hopefully that is my only layman strike. Ooh. That picked up on both cameras. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, I've missed that sound. Let's see if I can catch one on my phone. Post it for all my Twitter followers and YouTube. Probably. Sweet baby. Oh, that's Come on. Do another one. I know you can do it. Come on. Ooh, I saw a little flash there. I don't know if it picked up on the phone though. Time will tell. Same color flashes on my new DSLR here. Or not that point and shoot. Too poor for a DSLR. Same flashes over this way. Yeah, let's start spreading one. Ooh. That storm's gonna hit red ass. This is what we want right here. Zoomed out. Ooh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Right there, right there. I think this camera probably caught that one. Of course, if I upload both cameras, you won't know which one I'm talking about. It's gonna be whatever one sees the most lightning, which I think's my bigger camera. Wish the fucking orange lights won't blast on fucking recording. But can't always have what we want. Little camera pointing southwards. So that's where it looks like the majority of the lightning's coming from right now. What little there is, but you know what, I'm not complaining. 5, 6 strikes I've seen so far. Even flashes, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Oh, it got cold fast. Temperature is down. Yeah, here we go. Here comes the camera. Make sure that portion of the current stays, so I don't want rain all over my outlet. There goes another little flash there of the houses. see. Yeah, that was another one. That was another one. Move it a little because it's gotten hit with the frame. I'm inside, by the way, and I'm getting pelted. We're getting pelted with rain. I'm gonna have to close the window. Alright. We're good. Shit went from 0 to 100 fast. Still zoomed out, that's good. Push off that other one. Oh, jeez. That was a lightning strike and a half. That was a good one. It's pouring. It is fucking pouring. Sorry for the swearing, folks, but it's my channel. I can do what I want. I'm getting monetized, anyways. Jesus. I gotta hold my camera too here. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put it on my neck here. My neck strap. I'm just gonna hold it this way. Whoa! Yeah, the storm's right on top of us. Yeah, sorry if the footage is a little grainy. I think that's the one. Good major downside to this camera, but it's capturing lightning like a champ. I've missed this. Oh! You see that one? Damn! Fucking A, bro. Oh. Oh, that was a good one right there. I'm gonna have to put on my wrist strap too, I think. Oh shit, did I break off? Oh, no, it's right here. I'm starting to lose grip of it. Oh! Sorry, I'm just looking at Twitter. Well, I don't get these good of storms, especially in, well, technically it's gonna be April in like an hour and a half, so. I'll just say April. Very early April. I'm not complaining one bit, though. No siree. It's gonna be a long video. Of me mostly rambling. But that's okay. Rambling's not a crime. Whoa! Oh, damn, that was a good one. That was good. Alright, well, I already know this camera. This camera's good. I don't know how good it is with sound. Hopefully the last couple of thunders that I haven't talked through picked up. But this camera's good for lighting. It's a nice shutter bug for it, even though it looks grainy as hell from my point of view. 'Cause it's digital, not a viewfinder. See if I can pick a good shot on my phone here. Come on, Mother Nature, show me one more. one more. Come on, I know you got one more in you. Oh, god damn. Good girl, Mother Nature. Okay, that sounded a little weird. I should check radar, see where the storm is, because windstorms. It's kind of hard to tell because you got that other big blob. Oh! Okay, it wasn't close, but it was not far. It wasn't far either. Yeah, that one was... Actually, there was one right behind us. I wonder if it was that one. I had the camera at a good 60-degree angle. So now I got it about a... Actually, that would be a 45-degree angle. I got it more closer to 90 at the moment. Probably like a 75 or an 80. Yeah, this is going to be a long video. Because I suck at editing. I will edit it to the best of my ability, but we'll see what happens. It's not like I don't have the time, I do, but I do not have the patience to edit. Alright, okay. Alright, since I'm an idiot, famous last words probably spoken here, but since I'm an idiot, I'm gonna actually open the window up, just a crack, just to kind of get a better shot. People have died from worse, sure. Hopefully it illuminates. You will see my glorious face. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Alright, that's not enough. Wait, it's too much. Yeah, we're gonna risk it. We're gonna put the curtain in. Just like it? My leg is shaking right now. So, from what I looked at from radar, the main thunderstorms passed to the south. That's why we're seeing some. Ooh, Jesus Christ Almighty. I'm sorry for. Sorry, I'm swearing, and I'm sorry to the religious folks. I'm a Catholic, but that shit's scaring me a little bit sometimes. Alright, I don't care about my lens at the moment. I'm just gonna put it up. There's a gnarly cell on radar. It's like in Boston's. Actually, I'm looking at New York's. That was a good one. Ooh.